27th, 2024. Coming into Gainesville, Georgia. I-985. North is to our right. South is to our left. We're on our way to Ackworth. It is almost 11 o'clock. 57 degrees in Gainesville. We're going to be taking our time heading across the top end. We're on North Business 129. Plan on riding down by the tracks and exploring a little bit. Don't know whether we're going to cut across 369, cut across 60, 136, 53. We do not know which way we're going yet. So hang on for the ride. We'll be crossing over the railroad tracks here shortly. We want to get in the left-hand lane, or do we? We want to go right-hand lane, double back. This bridge was built in 1970. Let's get over to the left-hand lane, turn left here. We may go 369 today and then go through Canton, but the day before Thanksgiving, that could get rather raucous. I like that road, or that drive. I also like 53. Well, I like 136. I like all of them. We're going to be turning left and cutting down to the tracks. Hey, there's one for sale, a GMC. Two of them for sale. They're newer. They're going to be way too much for us, but just for the heck of it, we'll check them out. We'll check them out. Well, they want $12,500 for both of them. One's a 2014, one's a 2017. They're 4.8 engines. One has 140, one has 170 or 180,000. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. I mean, I could do it, but I tell you what, it's a lot of money for me to throw out. Of course, if I'd have been able to find something like that, I've spent that much on this van. That would have been great back before I spent all this on this one. Send me that one. Send me that one, girl. Ride down here and get these three locomotives. $44.79, $42.26, and $44.93. That cargo locomotive is not down here. That was here before. Just going to loop around and then head on our way. Yeah, both those vans are 3/4 ton, like this one, 2500s, but all this traffic coming from? Good grief. Well, we played around enough. There's nobody coming. Get on across some tracks. That little thing ain't gonna get hurt. Blooming Texas sticker on the back. Clowned around long enough. This traffic's already gotten me aggravated. Yeah, they have to stop. Okay. We do not want to run out in front of anyone. Where are we going to come out up here? Spiral staircases going up, residential. All types, all sorts of new residential concepts are being built and tried out. Apartments. Okay, Gainesville campus of Brunel University. What road is this? Jesse Jewell Parkway. We can turn right and then we can turn left. Oh, traffic. Oh, man. You need to get out of Gainesville. Okay, we're going to go 60 north when we get a light. This will give y'all a little bit of idea of traffic in Gainesville, Georgia. .129 was to the right. This should be 129 business. Gotten hungry. If we go, I guess 60 goes and then 136 goes off. No, 60 goes to the right. What do we want to do? Veronica, Cleveland. We may stop at the Ingles, see what they have for lunch. If that Ingles isn't closed, there was something going on with it last time we went by, I think. straight. We're not going to go off to the right. Traffic. I think somebody's wanting to turn left up here. Yep, somebody wanting to turn left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We want to get back over in that right lane. Good luck to us. This is Georgia 60. We're not going to go to Dahlonega though, unless we go through Talking Rock. We're thinking about going through Talking Rock. Okay, come on by, Jeep. We want to get over to the right. Y'all aren't going to cooperate, are you? You're just not going to cooperate. Just not going to cooperate. Murrayville 9, we'll be going through Murrayville. There's the Publix. We're coming up on the Ingalls and then the Kroger. We could take 60 to Dahlonega, then either go through Talking Rock or go go 400 to 136. Well, this has gotten us through Gainesville, so let's go ahead and turn this one off. This will be a wrap. I have been adding some bonus stuff onto these things, so hopefully y'all are enjoying that. Different photos and stuff.